Hi friends, this is your Python partner here. So now we are discussing files and exceptions, and today we are going to see how to write to a file. So it is good to work with this concept as you can write contents to the file, and even after your program finishes running, you can share the output files with others and as well write programs to read that file into memory and work with it again. Okay, so here are some important points that you need to remember regarding writing to a file. Let's see all that using the small example. Here the file, the variable is referring to life.txt. Of course, it is a text file. And below this, as if we have seen the concepts in reading the file, we are using the same with block. And as we have to open the file to write the contents into it. And of course, the first argument is the name of file. And here we have second argument. Here it is W. Now indicating the file opened in write mode. Okay. Then this object is assigned to file object. Here in the next lines, we used write a function on the file object to write a string to a file. So what are we writing here? I love sharing joy and I feel happy doing so. Okay. So while running the program, we have no terminal output. Okay. So there is nothing to show, just that program will run without any error and do its work. So once you open the file named life.txt, you can see our lines. So see, this is it. So there are some things you need to remember regarding the write modes, okay? So when we are opening the file in write mode, it first clears the previously existing data on the file, or you can take it as it overwrites the existing content with a new one because the file pointer starts at the beginning of the file. So that's why this is happening. And as in write a function won't include new line characters, you have to consciously do it. Only then your output looks in the way it is. Like if you want your output to be more organized, then you have to add this new line character. Otherwise, it just keeps on writing the thing. Okay. And as well, if you try to write numerical values into the file, it produces errors as the write of argument needs to be a string and not int. Okay. So now if you wish to keep the previous content of the file and to add some contents to it, then you can use append mode. See this example? Every concept is same except in the open of function, the second argument needs to be A, indicating append mode. Okay. And now after running it successfully, let's just open the file life.txt and see the lines got appended to the previous content, right? Fine. So now we have another mode as R+. So if you open the file in this mode, then you can read and write. Fine. And if you did not mention the mode argument, then Python will open the file in read only mode by default. Okay. So okay friends, that's it for this session. Do try this and as well don't forget to like and share the video. And as well, join me in this journey of learning. Let's make this journey more interesting. Bye-bye and take care.